welcome back to the channel. Today we're making pizza. Let's get started. So my mom made 4 steps with one flour, and she cut into 4 pieces and made different things with 4 pieces. Like she made burger, shawarma, pizza, and other things. So today what she's gonna do is she's gonna make pizza. So let's get started, and please remember to watch the other videos. She made other things with this, just 4 pieces of dough. Let's get started. So first what she's doing is she's kneading the dough, and she's gonna cover it for like 20 minutes. After she's covered it, now she took one piece of dough and cut it into pieces like this, and then to turn into circle shape. So she's making mini pizzas for today. So you must cut like this, like take the the chop thing, like a circle thing, and she made into circle. She cut circle shapes with it, and now she's gonna spread salt. First she's going to poke holes on it. Then she's gonna spread sauce. This is actually very easy to make because this is actually the same ingredients you put for normal pizzas, but just in a smaller version. So after poking the holes, remember before putting the sauce, add oil. After adding the oil, you can add the sauce and spread it. From now onwards, you can actually do the same steps you do for normal pizzas. Now my mom add chicken on top of it. You can add any toppings you want. You can add different, like, beef. If you don't eat beef, you can add like anything you want. But my mom add chicken. And now if you want, you can add vegetables. If you don't have to add any ingredients. If you just want cheese pizza, you can eat cheese pizza. This is up to you. The toppings is up to you. After adding the toppings, you can add the cheese. Now you can bake it for 200 Celsius for 15 minutes. Then it's done. These are the ingredients my mom. This is also the items my mom made with the 4 pieces of dough. You can watch the other videos. They'll be in the link below. Please go and check it out. Thanks for watching. Remember, subscribe, like, and comment. Stay home, stay safe. And